Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at the Lincoln House. I'm in Vermont near the IHG Kimpton Taconic property. And here is the Lincoln dining room. This dates back to the 1800s and 1900s. They have this area roped off and a simulation of what the dinner would be like. In the background, you could see lots of tea service, and in the front, lots of the teacups and probably drinks. Fireplace in the back, and some art on the wall. They've preserved this over time. This is considered a historical destination. Some of the seats in the middle roped off, no sitting on the couches. Flowers in the center. There is an organ. This is the Organ Historical Society. This one built in 1908. They had played this. They said it was digitized and the music randomly plays while people are here. Coming into another section, see the Lincoln family, some grandchildren, Mary Lincoln, and more. Bookcase, looks like a piano in the back, some sheet music in the center, another fireplace, and lots of candles. Some more art and many more chairs. Looks like a book with a bookmark to the side and some more tea sets. Some vases throughout, some art, looks like some flowers on there, and this says the Parlor. The Parlor was used for entertaining visitors to Hildene. This is this area. 1980s, a company out of New York donated wall coverings and more. And there's Lincoln in the back. Interestingly, not in the front. We have the guest bedroom, 1937, and earlier than that in the 1900s, 1912, 1913. See more art on the wall. Looks like a chase lounge and a bed with some pillars on the outside and something at the top. Nightstand with a drink and a chest of drawers in the back. Some more off to the left as well here in the guest bedroom. Staff stairs, basement, and dumbwaiter access the attic, rooms on the second floor, and the basement below. We have the staff dining room, a little bit of an echo. See a domino set in the center. Looks like some food and fruits. A case in the back. Cleaning supplies. Looks like a radio. We have the butler's bedroom, a much smaller bed, some trunks, the butler's clothes hung up, a fan, alarm clock, and much more. Even smaller than the kids' room, it appears. And here we have a kitchen area, 3 dozen eggs, a basket for the eggs, and it looks like a peeler or a decoupler. Big sink area, what look to be water or milk jugs on the bottom, and a lot of preparation. Here's a big desk in the center, looks like a pie in the back, and various maybe spices or things to add to food in the back. This is a kitchen area, and see the what looks to be a kettle and some heated areas in the back for baking. Looks like cookies, maybe waffles or a pancake maker in the back, and another pie at the top. Looks like a skillet. Now in the butler's pantry, looks like a coffee press and various gadgets throughout to prepare food and drinks. See General Electric, looks to be some kind of refrigerator, and some more kitchen utensils. Leads us back to the dining area and see a large bed on this side with a table for tea, food, and much more. There's a picture of Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln, on the wall. Coming into a bathroom area, here's the sink. We have a bathtub, an older style toilet, and we're now to Garfield's cabinet, 1881 to 1885. Robert served as Secretary of War for President James Garfield and Chester Arthur. Mr. Lincoln's library, 1897 to 1911, president of the Pullman Palace Car Company. A bust of Abraham Lincoln in the back. Lots of seating. Looks like a cigar and some wine. And lots of books throughout. Final room up ahead. Another portrait of Abraham Lincoln on the wall. And see the secretary's office, 1908. Some maps, a large desk, many books, and looks to be a directory. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from the Abraham Lincoln House in Vermont. Stay tuned for more content.